I'm making omena, and first of all I'm going to like fry it on the pan with just oil. I cleaned it before, and I'm only like frying it with lemon and salt and cooking oil. In the meantime, let's do some dishes. You can either decide to eat it as it is, or you can fry it. For me, I'm going to fry it, and I'll just fry it with some onions, garlic and ginger. Tomatoes, lemon, coriander, Here is my omena. I'll be having this with ugali, but I'll not do the ugali again because I did yesterday. So yeah, this is going to be my supper with some ugali. I'm not going to show you the ugali process because I did that yesterday. Finally, here's my supper. I'm not sure if omenas are called sardine, but in case they are, yes, I'm taking sardine and ugali. If not, I'll look for the name and probably include it as I'm editing. Honestly, the lemon changes the whole taste. Like, it's not bitter. And for today, I didn't like add a lot of salt. Also, I think the different flavors are making it sweeter than I tried before. So yeah, thank you for watching. In case you've not already subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. And in case you are a returning subscriber and you've not liked, kindly hit that like button. And thank you very much. Till next time, bye bye. Let me continue enjoying my dinner, and I'll probably see you from next week. Bye bye.